A die is thrown once. The probability of getting a number which is not a factor of 36. Here the event is throwing a die. Throwing the dice. This is the event. And the outcomes, if you throw a die, then what we will find? Either we will find 1 on the top face, 2 on the top face, or 3 or up to 6. So these are the outcomes. So outcomes of the event is either 1, 2 or up to 6. Outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Any of these numbers, इस नंबर से कोई एक आएगा टॉप फेस में. So but the question is asking, ये पूछ रहा है कि probability of getting a number which is not a factor of 36, that means 36 का फैक्टर नहीं होगा. So 36 जो है, 36 का फैक्टर कौन कौन है, that we have to find out. Which numbers are the factors of 36. So factors of 36 is 1 is a factor. If you will check, 2 is also a factor, because factor means it is completely divisible by it. 3 is a factor because 36 is divisible by 3. 4 is also a factor and 6 is also a factor. 5 is not a factor of 36. So number of factors of 36 is equal to 5. 5 numbers, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 numbers are the factors of 36. But the favorable event is which is not a factor of 36, that we have to find out. In this case, the favorable event which we need for the question, that is not a factor of 36. So favorable outcome will be favorable outcomes is only 5, which is not the factor of 36. So number of favorable outcomes is number of favorable outcomes is equal to 1. And here total outcomes was, the number of total outcomes were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 5 numbers. So we can write number of total outcomes was 6. Now according to the definition of probability, the probability of an event will be probability of an event E. This is called probability of an event E, which is number of favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes, divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. The number of favorable outcomes is 1 and number of favorable outcomes is 6. So the answer is 1 by 6. Hence option C is correct.